Hi everyone! Alright, in this video, I will attempt to do my own makeup while my guy friends clown me. Yeah, let's look at the disclaimer. Now introducing our lovely guest stars for today. Alright, first up we have Ken. Next up, Abdul. And last but not least, Rasheen. Wish me luck, everyone.
Hey guys, this is Oluwaseyi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm holding aluminum foil. JK, it's crocodile.
And I don't know, I will put a light in the sky for the G's that done turn memory from go. Blessings we send to the ghetto youth, them where I take the thing high from low. Missy boy, them a pre me up on my spliff, me not care.
Hey guys, so it's Olu and I'm holding vinegar. I'm gonna put it all over my face.
To get every crevice, rub it in well.
But you hop right into it though. All right, little eyebrow. All right, little plucky yana. All right.
Okay, so first we're gonna put some mascara onto our eyebrows. You get me? We wanna be looking proper buff gal ting. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to look good, so I gotta get my eyebrows right first.
We're gonna take a small brush, and you really wanna now outline the eyebrow. This is what's gonna make the eyebrow to pop.
Okay. All right. A little curvature. Love to see it.
I've now grabbed my Crayola pen and I'm coloring in my eyebrows because right now it looks like I have two hyphens on my forehead. Oh my gosh. Olu, I'm joking with you.
You want to take that brush and just go over the eyebrow ever so slightly, gently. Make it full, make it dark. Kodudu.
So it's like you flatline and then you descend. I like it.
So now you want to take a lighter color and you want to go under the eyebrow. We're not so much worried about the eyebrows themselves, but under and out and around the eyebrow.
What is that supposed to do? Okay. Natural state. You got a dark brown, a tan, a black. It'll all come there together in the end though.
We are now on our 17th layer. I am now putting contour onto my eyes. I want to be looking good, you understand? And it's low-key kind of matching my skin tone, so this is a win, guys.
So now you want to take your brush and just blend it.
And this gold background. Whose bed sheet is this in the background? It's like it belongs in the master bedroom. Okay, but I mean, you're being resourceful, so I
Now we're gonna be using our foundation. Let me put my tribal. So now I have to brush it all in. Hot girl summer, real hot girl shit.
Okay, and you're doing the even. Okay. Even dispersal. Yo, somebody need to take this paintbrush away from you. You doing a lot with this.
Oh my goodness, she's doing Don't Rush Challenge. Please, don't rush with this makeup, I'm begging you.
You put the paintbrush up to the camera, taking it away. Like, all right, little magic wand. All right, filling it in.
You want to blend the paint in. Blend it well,
Brush down your face, brush it well. Don't forget your neck. Why hasn't she touched her neck yet? Why hasn't this girl touched her neck yet? What's going on?
Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearl. Best thing in the world, but she don't eat squirrel. Okay, little triangles.
And then you want to draw the line down your nose, down your chin. 3 lines on the chin and 3 lines on the forehead. Not 2, not 4, but 3.
Oh, what is this you're putting on your face? Jesus is Lord. Okay, I'm going to continue to put on my tribal marks. This is going to blend everything in, make my face, look fuller.
You know what I can infer about your past? You probably were very talented in art class. Because the way you drawing all these like different geometric shapes on your face, and I'm getting like Wakanda.
After you want to take this powder. What you want to do with this powder, you want to brush it, get the powder on the brush, And now the places that you chalk your face, you just want to put the powder.
As far as black women, I feel like I seen a tweet earlier today too, to like how makeup has come a long way and stuff like that. It definitely has. Cause you look like a normal black. Okay, I'm a little concerned. I must say, I've only seen you blink twice.
Just for the sake of it, just take a brush and just brush it around your nose. You know.
You look like a black woman in this. Not nobody's like mostly ghostly, white face, black neck. You look even. Like you're doing your thing. You're doing your thing.
So then you want to spray your. I know what this is. This is blender. You spray your blender, and now you want to blend all the everything in. It's still, yeah, blend everything. Just blend it all. The triangles, the lines, everything. So now you want to spray your face for.
She's spraying hand sanitizer on her face. Let's go. Come on.
That little hand wave you did was not enough to air your face down.
Didn't she miss her face? That girl missed her face.
Add final touches to the to your face.
Guys, watercolor palette.
Now, other colors of powder. Pick which one you want.
What in the brats is that?
Going with the reddish color. Since you want to mess up, you take your blender and just erase it.
I want to know if she uses that ball every time she does her makeup, or if she, Yeah, I don't know how you guys store all of your makeup devices. Hey! Continue.
Moving to fake lashes.
Lashes!
And they don't look like they're $2 each.
Hey. And glue. Fake lashes and glue. Now you want to take the lashes and you really want to gum it to your real eyelash. Gum it well. You must gum it well so they stay.
Whole face look beat, eyelashes looking crazy.
Oh, Lou the gold-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. Like, your nose is like shiny right now. You literally have a shiny nose.
Yep, so now we got our highlight going on. We want to make sure that our skin is looking naturally lit up. You know what I'm saying? We want to make sure we're looking good. Brush that face, girl. Brush this.
Now just blend the highlighter and gently. You really want to make your sunball.
Okay, continue. You and your nose. You've been playing with your nose for 15 minutes now.
On your chin too. All right, what's the point of this gold stuff?
Make sure it's smooth.
It's been your eyebrows. Now you're going down to your nose. I'm not gonna lie though, the camera setup is nice. I like this setup. She went and bought that little ring.
Now spray to solidify the job.
Like you were like a different type, bronze type, black type, melanated, bronze, brown. All right.
Take your blender. Hit the spots that need help.
Go ahead, rub in that highlight, girl. Yes, ma'am.
Lip gloss.
Oh, just lip gloss. Okay. You bought out those lips up.
So now you want to gloss the bottom lip, and this is what you ladies do. You take the bottom lip and you gloss it, and then you do the
Oh, I'm not gonna lie. This look alright. This is good.
Do your final touches.
Yeah, looking good. Scrumdiddlyumptious.
This paintbrush, all right.
Hey, no. You open your bonnet. And your hair is not done.
Yeah, put the bonnet back on. It's all right. Put it back on.
Oh, don't do that, no. It's not okay.
Yep, leave it there. God is good.
Why would you come and sabotage your...
Job well done.
Thank you guys for watching the video.
Not too shabby.
Shine me a shine like the jewel in the chain, no